So the key bandwidth drivers that are creating the need for CDNs are a mixture of over-the-top video content, which is growing at an ever-increasing rate, along with the fact that we are now putting more and more of our video services through an IP video delivery mechanism. That one of the things we've realized over time is that customers are going to use bandwidth at an ever-increasing rate, and there's really not much we can do to control it within the confines of today's world. So we have to find better ways in which to deliver it so that they get not only the content they want, but that they get the content in a qualitative manner so that they come back for more content. So the work we've been doing recently integrating CDNs involves putting it at various points throughout our network. We went through a rather lengthy exercise in analyzing various CDN providers and trying to figure out where exactly do we put it. Do we put it at our peering points? Do we put it throughout at our regional data centers? Do we even push it down to the hub sites? For our first pass, we decided that the regional data centers were the best locations because that is where all of our content in our video over the backbone ends up residing. And from there, we're able to push it down directly down to the customer. Over time, we may end up pushing it even further down, but that will actually depend on the usage patterns that our customers show. So the savings for CDNs is a moving target at the moment. That as we learn more and more about what it can do in our network, we're hoping to realize somewhere greater than a 7% savings on our backbone. We're still trying to figure out from our metro perspective how much capacity we actually save. We know that we cannot easily continue growing the number of wavelengths and the amount of data that we're passing throughout our network, and we're looking for CDN to be a key provider of savings of bandwidth capacity. One of the brilliant things about the CDN World Summit is getting the view of what other providers and vendors are doing throughout the world. And it's been a great learning experience. One of the key takeaways is that there's a lot of very brilliant thought going on. And for us, being able to work with our vendors and figure out how we can actually move that content even closer, not only from the peering points, but into the regional data centers, down into the hub sites, and possibly even coming up with ways to place portions of the CDN into the customer's home can be a long-term bandwidth savings for us as an industry.